This is Bx10 to Norwood to 105 Street stop. This stop is Riverdale Avenue and West 263rd Street. Next stop, Riverdale Avenue and West 261st Street. Transfers available to Bx7, Bxm1, Bxm2 and Bxm18. This stop is Riverdale Avenue and West 261st Street. Next stop, Riverdale Avenue and West 260th Street. Transfer available to Bx7. This stop is Riverdale Avenue and West 260th Street. Next stop, Riverdale Avenue and West 259th Street. Transfer available to Bx7. This stop is Riverdale Avenue and West 259th Street. Next stop, Riverdale Avenue and West 256th Street. This stop is Riverdale Avenue and West 256th Street. Next stop, Riverdale Avenue and West 254th Street. Transfer available to Bx7. This stop is Riverdale Avenue and West 254th Street. Next stop, Henry Hudson Parkway East and West 252nd Street. This stop is Henry Hudson Parkway East and West 252nd Street. Next stop, Henry Hudson Parkway East and West 249th Street. This stop is Henry Hudson Parkway East and West 249th Street. Next stop, Henry Hudson Parkway East and West 246th Street. This stop is Henry Hudson Parkway East and West 246th Street. Next stop, Henry Hudson Parkway East and West 239th Street. This stop is Henry Hudson Parkway East and West 239th Street. Next stop, Henry Hudson Parkway East and West 237th Street. This stop is Henry Hudson Parkway East and West 237th Street. Next stop, Henry Hudson Parkway East and West 236th Street. This stop is Henry Hudson Parkway East and West 236th Street. Next stop, Henry Hudson Parkway East and West 232nd Street. This stop is Henry Hudson Parkway East and West 232nd Street. Next stop, Henry Hudson Parkway East and West 227th Street. This stop is Henry Hudson Parkway East and West 227th Street. Next stop, Henry Hudson Parkway East and Independence Avenue. This stop is Henry Hudson Parkway East and Independence Avenue. Next stop, Cabot Street and Knowles Crescent. This stop is Cabot Street and Knowles Crescent. Next stop, Cabot Street and Johnson Avenue. This stop is Cabot Street and Johnson Avenue. Next stop, Irwin Avenue and Johnson Avenue. This stop is Irwin Avenue and Johnson Avenue. Next stop, West 230th Street and Tibbet Avenue. This stop is West 230th Street and Tibbet Avenue. Next stop, West 231st Street and Riverdale Avenue. Transfer available to Bx7. This stop is West 231st Street and Riverdale Avenue. Next stop, West 231st Street and Corlier Avenue. Transfers available to Bx1 Limited and Bx7. This stop is West 231st Street and Corlier Avenue. Next stop, West 231st Street and Broadway. Transfers available to the 1 train, Bx1 Limited, Bx20 and Bx7. This stop is West 231st Street and Broadway. Next stop, West 231st Street and Bailey Avenue. Transfer available to Bx1 Limited. This stop is West 231st Street and Bailey Avenue. Next stop, Bailey Avenue and West 233rd Street. This stop is Bailey Avenue and West 233rd Street. Next stop, Bailey Avenue and West 238th Street. This stop is Bailey Avenue and West 238th Street. Next stop, Bailey Avenue and Van Cortlandt Park South. This stop is Bailey Avenue and Van Cortlandt Park South. Next stop, Van Cortlandt Avenue West and Orloff Avenue. This stop is Van Cortlandt Avenue West and Orloff Avenue. Next stop, Sedgwick Avenue and 2 Stevenson Place. Transfers available to Bx1 Limited and Bx2. This stop is Sedgwick Avenue and 2 Stevenson Place. Next stop, Sedgwick Avenue and Dickinson Avenue. Transfer available to Bx2. This stop is Sedgwick Avenue and Dickinson Avenue. Next stop, Paul Avenue and West Mosholu Parkway South. Transfers available to Bx28 and Bx38. This stop is Paul Avenue and West Mosholu Parkway South. Next stop, Paul Avenue and West 205th Street. Transfer available to Bx28. This stop is Paul Avenue and West 205th Street. Next stop, Paul Avenue and Bedford Park Boulevard. Transfers available to Bx22 and Bx28. This stop is Paul Avenue and Bedford Park Boulevard. Next stop, Bedford Park Boulevard and Jerome Avenue. Transfers available to the 4 B&D trains, Bx25, Bx26 and Bx28. This stop is Bedford Park Boulevard and Jerome Avenue. Next stop, Jerome Avenue and East 205th Street. Transfer available to Bxm4. This stop is Jerome Avenue and East 205th Street. Next stop, Jerome Avenue and East Mosholu Parkway North. Transfers available to the 4 train and Bx10 Limited. This stop is Jerome Avenue and East Mosholu Parkway North. Next stop, East Gun Hill Road into Calb Avenue. This stop is East Gun Hill Road into Calb Avenue. Next stop, Bainbridge Avenue and East Gun Hill Road. This stop is Bainbridge Avenue and East Gun Hill Road. Next stop, Bainbridge Avenue and East 210th Street. Transfers available to Bx16, Bx28 and Bx34. This stop is Bainbridge Avenue and East 210th Street. Next stop, Bainbridge Avenue and Van Cortlandt Avenue East. Transfer available to Bx28. This stop is Bainbridge Avenue and Van Cortlandt Avenue East. Next stop, Bainbridge Avenue and East 206th Street. Transfer available to the D train. This stop is Bainbridge Avenue and East 206th Street. This is Bx10 to Norwood to 105 Street stop.